In my last video, I did show you 5 steps to remove a hardwood floor. And today I'm gonna show you how to install a new one. And the finish gonna look like this. And if you're new on this platform, I will suggest you to subscribe this channel if you don't want to miss any video, because every Saturday I'm gonna post a video for you. Let's show you how I did it. So after removing the hardwood, it's important to clean the area to remove all the staples and then make sure that your floor tell you guys, it takes me a good 12 hours to install that. So I'm by myself and I do everything on my own, so that's why it takes that much. But if you have someone helping you, it could take less than 4 hours to install it. So I didn't show you that part, but I'm using my miter saw I have to cut the corner. So that's what I'm doing right here. I take the measurement and then go to cut it out. If you don't have a miter saw, you can also use a circular saw to cut it. For the corner, I'm gonna use my bar just to pull it out and make sure it snaps in. And for the two line and the corner, I use the nail gun on top of the hardwood. I don't nail it at the side, but I nail it on top just to extra secure.
Tell me that you love me.